Hello children and welcome to today's online class. So children, we have been learning coordinate geometry distance formula. So let us do some more questions today related to this chapter. Here I have two questions children. So I have to find the distance between the following points. So there are one pair of point A, point B. First point, second point. You have to find distance between these 2 points. Same thing here. So let me first start here. So here my solution starts. So children, you know distance formula, so you write distance equal to, I have taught you two types of formula, that is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or even you can say x2 minus, means if you begin from 1 end it at 2, and if you begin from 2 end it at 1. So let me do with the x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square and root over. Now both the first point, they are the points of x, and this is x1, this is x2. So x1 minus x2 means first subtracting with first, and y2 minus y1 means very easy, second subtracting with second. Very simple children. So let me subtract first with first. So my first number is minus 6 and minus 6. That means I have to subtract minus with minus 6. So this minus and this minus will become plus here. Formula says minus, but this minus will multiply with this minus and become plus. So x1 minus x2, x2 has become plus now, that is 6. Minus 6 became plus 6 because of multiplication of two minus, this minus and this minus. Or to make it understand in a more easier way, I can just increase one step for your convenience. I can do like this also. I can use second bracket, and in place of x1 I will write minus 6, and this minus I wrote here, and this minus 6, that is x2, I will write in bracket, and then second bracket close, whole square. Okay, next one, plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here y1 is this one and this is y2, so I can write minus 1 and 11 minus 11 whole square root over. So y1 minus y2 whole square, second minus second. Next one. Now same thing, this minus, second bracket again became first bracket, minus 6 I will write here, and this minus will become plus 6 and whole square, and here plus minus 1 minus 11 is minus 12 whole square root over. Children, one thing here, minus 6 and plus 6 is 0, plus 6 minus 6 minus 6 plus 6, it is 0, 0 whole square plus minus 12 whole square. And let me just remind you children, let me do one thing here. As we know, minus 6 plus 6 is 0 and 0 whole square is 0. This much step we can jump, no issue. And here plus, and here minus 12 whole square means minus 12 will multiply 2 times. Minus 12 will multiply 2 times. 12 into 12 is 144, and minus into minus is plus. So I can write 144 root over. Next, 0 plus 144 is 144 root over, and root over 144 is 12. So my answer will be 12 unit. This is my answer. So children, when you have minus in the formula, and when there is minus in the second part, this minus and this minus will become plus. Here I have done in a long process, but it becomes plus. So that if you know, you can jump one step. Now children, moving on to the second question. Solution again distance formula, distance equal to, you can write same way, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square and root over. This is the formula. Now what you do, x1 is 2 and x2 is minus 4. Again same thing, this minus and this minus. Here I want to jump one step. This minus and this minus will become plus 4 and whole square plus, because here I have explained you in details. So there directly not doing this step, I have reached here. So I am not doing this step there. So now plus y1 minus y2, second minus second. So my second y1 is minus 11 and again same thing, this minus and this minus will become plus 3 whole square root over. Now next children, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 square plus minus 11 plus 3, minus 11 plus 3 is minus 8, minus 8 whole square. Minus 11 plus 3 is minus 8 whole square. Now 6 square is 36 plus minus 8 square means minus will multiply 2 times and again it will become plus, 8 8 are 64. So square of minus is plus children, very important to understand. 64 only, root over. 64 and 36 if you add it is 100 root over, 100 root over is 10 unit. So children, very interesting chapter. Again let me tell you, x1 minus x2 means first minus with first and y1 minus y2 means second minus second. This way we have to do. Okay, thank you children.